Legacy, unraveling its meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a word that has a profound impact in various contexts: legacy. We often hear it in daily conversations, in literature, and even in the tech world. But what does it truly mean? Let's find out. Legacy is primarily a noun. It originates from the Latin word legatum, which means something bequeathed. In English, the term has two main meanings. 1. Money or property bequeathed to another by will, essentially, something left to someone in a will. 2. Something handed down by a predecessor, like knowledge, culture, tradition, or reputation. While the dictionary provides a basic understanding, the word legacy has diverse interpretations across different contexts. 1. Personal legacy. This refers to the impact and memories one leaves behind after they're gone. It's what people remember about an individual. 2. Cultural legacy. This is about traditions, customs, and beliefs passed down through generations within a community or civilization. 3. Technological legacy. Ever heard of legacy systems or legacy software? These are outdated computer systems, applications, or processes that are still in use. They've been handed down from previous versions. Understanding a word is great, but knowing how to use it in sentences is even better. Here are some examples. 1. Her grandmother left her a legacy of $10,000 in her will. 2. The ancient ruins are a legacy of the Roman Empire. 3. The company is still using a legacy system, which makes integration with modern tools difficult. So, there you have it. The term legacy is rich and varied in its usage. Whether you're talking about inheritance, the impact left by someone, or even old technology, the word has a significant role in English vocabulary. We hope this video shed light on the meaning and use of legacy. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.